We will stay with you, period. Today I'm proud to announce new security assistance package for Ukraine. This will be the 8th package I've authorized since we've signed the National Security Bill. And we're working with our NATO allies to ensure Ukraine is flying F-16s this summer. And we show the world that we stand with Ukraine now and in the future.
Thank you for such strong news about new security package. I'm grateful to you, your team, your administration, of course, Congress, both parties, both chambers, and all Americans for their vital and your strong support of Ukrainian people. Together we are saving lives of our people, and of course we will discuss achieving a just end to the war. We must end this war justly and for peace to return as soon as possible. We need a second peace summit this year. Thank you for participation, and we are counting heavily on America's support in this. God bless America. Slava Ukraini.